안녕하세요, 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and I am suffering. I'm suffering. I do not like filming or editing or any of the back-end stuff that comes with creating content right now because I'm so burnt out. I've been burnt out since last year, January, so it's been a year and a half. But I want to do this. I want to do this even though I'm burnt out. So, this is the plan, okay? You're gonna suffer with me. I'm sorry that I can't make like a perfectly framed video. My tripod broke. Bruh. I'm moved out and I'm living with my roommate, so I have none of my equipment. This is not gonna be a perfect video, but we're gonna make it work, and I wanna show you my full face makeup routine that I've developed as of June 1st, 2024. Oh hey, Dark Spots Concealer. This is from IT Cosmetics, and it lightens it lightens dark spots. Sorry, I can't make a perfect video. I think I have a pimple here that I need to cover in case I start running around at the restaurant that I'm working at, which I have a shift today with my crush. And if my bangs fly away from my face and show my pimple, God forbid, don't let my pimple show. My powder foundation. Oh my gosh, I yesterday went to the gym to shower, okay, because I had to drop off my car to my parents' house, and I didn't have like I didn't want to go all the way back home for an hour and then come out all the way for an hour. So I just went for an hour to my workplace area, and the gym was there. So I went to the gym and then I washed my face, right? But I didn't have any makeup for work that day. So I went to the drugstore, and guess what I did? Samples. I want that Dior foundation. I tried a Dior foundation with testers. I squeezed some on my hand. I went to the washroom, and then I applied the Dior foundation on my face with my fingers. And let me tell you, I have never worn a more beautiful foundation. I was like, no wonder K-pop idols look so good. It's because they wear Dior foundation. So I need to get me some Dior foundation. Actually, I do have Dior foundation, but it's at home! Not home, but like my family home, which I'm not allowed in right now because I'm mentally unstable. Okay, guys, I look really white, but I'm not that white. Let's put color back in the face. My former I don't know if she's my best friend, but my former friend gave me this. Actually, you know what? I bought this from Temu. Never mind. I was gonna say, like, my former friend bought me this and I cut her out. Oh, 심지어, which means like, speaking of, the palette is called Leave Girl. I'm gonna use this to contour my face because she's got some jowls. It's so funny, my friend at work, who's my coworker, she's like, your love life is like a drama. I wanna be front row seats. And she's like, I can't wait to see all the lovey-dovey action. She's so funny. I love her. Hambi sarang hey. She doesn't know I have YouTube. This life is a secret from work. Don't tell anyone. Or else. I won't get fired, but like, well, still don't tell anyone because it's a secret. Now, because I've been locked out of home, locked out of heaven. No, that place was not heaven. That place was hell for me. Oh my gosh. It made me suicidal there because I was suffering. I'm gonna use this purple and pink for blush. Also shorten my face with some on my... I look so pale. I'm so pale. I'm so pale. Yay, it's my favorite part. It's the eyeshadow. Come hither. Ooh, she said HD. Yeah, I'm sorry for the amount of pencils that I'll be using today to create my eye shape. This is all because of my crush, okay? By the way, if you're wondering about my marriage, you can look at my previous video where I explained about why I moved out. And there are some details there about the animosity that I have realized and the gaslighting that I have experienced. First, I'm gonna contour my eye bags. By the way, this is like my 5th crush. I think my personality just like easily falls in love. Is anyone else like that? I tried to deny it for a lot of my life, but like, I just fall in love with beautiful things. Even cute jellies, little bugs. Like, I'm just... And then I top everything with this palette that's a little bit more purple toned because my skin is very, very green. So when I use purple, it makes my skin look a little bit more neutralized. So I'm gonna apply this shade, and this shade. Okay, friends, you know how I said that I have blush? But what? Help, somebody help me. I do have blush, but it is a pastel purple. I like to just top off my glitter. Where are you going? This is what happens when you have no tripod because you've been running away from home because you're trying to commit suicide at home 20 times in 6 months. Anyway, when your ex uses you for money and not to love you. Hello.
Hello.
My roommate came.
Are you filming?
Yes. Why don't you like Mr. Log?
You asking me?
Yes.
Because he's an idiot?
Because he's an idiot. Why is he an idiot?
Because he let a wonderful woman go.
Oh, he's an idiot for letting a wonderful woman go. What did he do that made me go?
Oh, what didn't? No, the question is, what did he do that would have made you stay? And the question is, nothing. Like, all I can say is delulu is not the salulu.
Oh, I'm often delulu.
I know, so am I.
It's okay, we're all slightly delulu all the time.
A half-hour call with my friends talking about all my delusions.
Oh, wonderful!
Yeah.
I'm trying not to laugh because I'm doing my eyeliner. Oh, it's okay, you don't have to apologize. You don't have to apologize for anything in your whole entire life because you are a flower. Oh, so cute!
If you're keeping this in the video, hey everyone, you should go and donate blood. It's
Donate blood!
an easy way to help so many people in need.
Me!
Yes, like
I lost half my blood giving birth the first time.
Go donate now.
Anyway,
Donate today.
there's someone like me and you should be someone like Nikki.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay.
Tell them how far along you are with your goal of
my pregnancy. I'm not
of your
I have a goal to give blood 50 times before I'm 35, and the next time I give blood will be my 16th time. So we are well on our way. I will not disclose my age, but I will say
my eyeliner is not eyelining, and it's my favorite eyeliner from Rare Beauty. I used it a lot, and I have extras, so. But they're at the family home that I'm not allowed in because I'm chaotic. Anyway, that's not the reason. It's because, yeah. Ugh! I hate my life. No, I love my life because you're in it. Somebody put GIFs over this. Actually, it's gonna be me because my editor's on vacation. That bird is like right out our window.
in the tree right outside my bedroom window.
This is my lip pencil from BT21, and I'm going to apply this overlining my cupid's bow to make my lips look juicy for Mr. Neat. He does look at my lips often. Maybe it's because I have a lot of makeup on it and it looks weird.
Maybe. He's doing the triangle trick.
I love that trick. It actually works.
Does it?
Yes.
I should start using it.
It worked on Mr. Log. It worked on Mr. Hands. It worked on Mr. Tall.
What if
So the triangle trick is to make any man want to kiss you. And you look at their right eye. You look at their lips. And then you look at their left eye. It's like a done, done, done. Like 1 second each. It works, I'm telling you. Try it on Mr. Necktie. You have good eye contact, so he'll notice. I mean, he'll not notice, he'll feel it. Men don't know anything. Setting spray. One time I was doing my setting spray and I was drying my face, and then I smacked my face and then I created a hole in my cheek. I always do my lash curl after my setting spray because when I spray my setting spray, it like uncurls my lashes. Oh my god. Now this girl don't got Dior foundation on her, but she got Lancome mascara. I'm gonna try applying this. Oh no. If I laugh. Why did that sound exactly like your laugh? Skills. It sounded like a recording. Mr. Tattoo was so rude yesterday. Makes me so mad. I look like an angry penguin. Okay. I'm finished. A little bit of moisture, a little bit of color right at the center. Cute. Who is she? She's a different lady. Ready to slay. Bye, Nikki.
Bye.
Love you. Thank you for watching today. I will see you in the next one. Love you. Sending hugs.